The time is 8:52 p.m. on this glorious Sunday, July 17th. It is one heck of a nice day outside, so I hope you all got outside to enjoy it. Anyway, just before we start the break for the box of Zenith, box number 385. Let's get my shiny head out of there. There we go. 385. Shameless plug here for this box of Decades 1980s that I have listed on my eBay site right now. It's buy it now. There are 9 cards in this box. The price per slot is $15, and that's exactly my cost for this box divided by 9. So there's no gamble in that about getting a card. Everybody's going to get a card. It just happens, just going to be a gamble about which card you're going to get. Anyway, check it out, and we'll leave it at that. Alright, here we go with the Zenith. As you can see, this one's sealed 100%. I'm really curious about what this box topper is going to look like, and if I can open it up without destroying it, I will send that out as well. But the card will be opened, and it will be sent out to the appropriate person. Anyway, here we go. Here. A little time governor here so that way there's no shenanigans. Everybody can see there's no shenanigans. And there we go. There's the checklist. Might need that. And this is the Zenith box topper card. There. 10 packs of 5. Oh, empty box. And pitter patter, let's get at her. Haven't opened one of these boxes yet, so I'm not really sure what they're going to look like as far as the base cards go. Okay, we got Thornton, base. Rollison, base. Trevor Linden. In Canadiens uniform. That's a legacy card, I guess. We have a decoy, Duchesne, base of the Avs, and James Reimer, Optimus Rhyme himself, base. Spezza base, Mazzaro's base. Oh, we have an insert here. Crease is the word, goalie, Cam Ward. Not numbered. Oh, we have our first jersey hit here. 3 jerseys for the Devils. There's Matt Tedenby, Zach Parise, and Martin Brodeur. Triple jersey. And not numbered though. Eric Stahl base and Brandon Dubinsky base. That Devil's card's nice. Triple jersey. Fortunately not numbered. Oh, we have a shiny looking one here. Gabrick. Numbered to 25. So Gabrick of the Rangers, numbered to 25. Guess that's a parallel. Dan Boyle base. Chasing the Cup. Mike Richards of the Flyers. Decoy. Jordan Stahl. And Brad Marchand of the Bruins. Okay, Derek Brassard of the Blue Jackets. And I saw pictures of this on the internet. This is DiPietro in pink. I guess that's the cancer awareness uniform or pads that he was wearing for it, but that looks pretty goofy. Anyway, DiPietro of the Islanders. And Ed Belfour of the San Jose Sharks. Another decoy. Jamie Langenbrunner of the Stars, and Dion Phaneuf, captain of the Leafs. I think this pack is supposed to have 3 hits, but I don't know if that box topper or the Dare to Tear card is considered one of the hits or not. Jonathan Toews. We got another parallel here. Semyon Varlamov. Pink parallel, I guess. And not numbered. Triple of the Tampa Bay Lightning. We got Ryan Malone, Victor Hedman, and Steven Stamkos. Not numbered. The decoy. Sorry. Daniel Alfredsson. And Shane Doan. This one feels a little thicker. Maybe we got a jersey in here. It's Halak, Jonathan Quick, Nick Fotui. I don't even know who that. I've never heard of that guy. Nick Fotui of the Rangers. Decoy. Bobby Ryan of the Ducks, and Ilya Brazgalov of the Phoenix Coyotes. So far, no redemptions. That's nice. Oh, we got an autograph here, so we'll set this up nicely. Duncan Keith, and it's quite the scrawl. Behind the bench, Joel Quenneville. It's kind of cool. That's a coach of the Blackhawks, numbered to 199. Nice autograph. Gifted Grinders, Sean Thornton. Decoy, Cavier, and Rene Bourque. I've never seen a coach autograph before. It's kind of cool. And a Kopitar of the LA Kings. Henrik Sedin, Canucks. Travis Harmonic of the Islanders. Oh, numbered to 999. Decoy. Patrick Elias, sorry, and Martin Brodeur. Lots of doubles in here. Antti Niemi. Jason Pominville. Tiger Williams. That's the old Canucks. Oh, we got another triple jersey for the Rangers. Let's see if we can read this here. Matt Zuccarello, Ryan Callahan, and Henry Lundqvist. Not numbered. Craig Anderson. And Danielson. Both Sedin brothers are in here. All right, final pack. Paul Stastny, Steven Stamkos, Cam Neely in Canucks regalia, another decoy, Pekka Rinne, and P.A. Parento of the Islanders, not numbered. Alrighty. Let's see if there's any of the other. I think other cards here were numbered just in case I missed them. No, nothing there. Nothing there. And nothing there. My wife was helping me sort the other pile here. Nothing there. Okay. Let's get these base cards out of the way. Put these hits safely out of the way. Now, get my cutting pad here. So see if I can surgically open this box topper here. Dare to tear. And it is Cam Neely of the Bruins. Giant size card. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and just cut a little bit off the bottom here. Just see if I can pop it out like a little pouch. If not, I'm going to have to tear the whole thing apart. No, that's not going to work. Maybe I can tear the back of it so I can protect the front of the card for you. The Boston owner. Nope. There goes the front of the card too. Oh, I apologize. Sorry about that, but I guess it's not really about the big card, it's about the goodies in the side. Oh, there we go. Alright, it is James Neal. James Neal in Pittsburgh uniform. Epics. Not numbered, unfortunately. But there you have it. I don't think there's much point in sending that out, but if the Boston guy wants to contact me and he wants the pieces, I'll be more than happy to send it to him. Anyway, there you have it. I thank you once again, and please consider my box of decades here. Probably one of the best Legends products out there. And if you check out some of the box breaks of this particular product on YouTube, and I'm sure you'll be impressed. And thank you very much. Keep your stick on the ice, and have a good night.